Hello, guys. I hope you're doing well. It's been a while since I posted, but today I'm back with some insane news. NVIDIA just dropped free access to more than 200 powerful AI models, including the newest DeepSeek Pro. Yes, you heard that right, completely free. You can simply connect to your NVIDIA account and start browsing all these models directly from their website. But to make things even easier, we're going to use an open source CLI. So let's head over to the OpenCode official website. Now, copy the installation command. Open your Bash terminal on Windows, paste it, and hit Enter. Then just wait until everything finishes installing. Quick pause here. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps. Next, open your environment variables. Add the OpenCode path to your system paths so Windows can recognize it. Then open PowerShell and type OpenCode. Now, inside the CLI, type /models and hit Enter. Press Ctrl+A, search for NVIDIA, and select it. After that, go to the NVIDIA website, log in, open your profile from the top right, and find the API Keys section. Generate a new API key and paste it into the OpenCode CLI. And here we go! You now have access to more than 200 free AI models through NVIDIA. Enjoy exploring them and building whatever you want. And don't forget, smash that subscribe and like button if this helped you.